Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you simple ways how to boost your iPhone signal. Let's start. First of all, open the settings and select the cellular item. After that, open cellular data options and select voice and data. Usually LTE 4G connection is faster than 3G and 5G is faster than LTE, but in your area, LTE towers may not cover the area enough. Therefore, sometimes choosing an older connection can improve the signal. The next way to improve the signal is to select the network. Back to the settings, back to cellular settings, and here select network selection. Now I have automatic network selection enabled. You can disable this option and select a mobile operator manually. Another way to improve your iPhone signal is to find a spot in the room where the signal is the best. Usually this place is near the window. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, see you next time.